Hi guys, welcome to Market News and Updates. I'm your host Omi and today we're going to be discussing the latest news and updates in the markets. We've seen that BTC has been sideways and in a downtrend since the start of this weekend. Are things going to be changing or not? Let's find out in today's video. आज की पहली न्यूज जो हमारे पास है दैट्स अबाउट बिटकॉइन एंड अबाउट एशिया. सो फर्स्ट मूवर एशिया बिटकॉइन ऑल कॉइन्स रीगेन ग्राउंड after early weekend spiral trading volume levels of after an intense Saturday. Investors who have been spooked by the Omicron variant of the COVID virus are waiting the opening of equity markets on Monday. तो मार्केट के अंदर हम ओवरऑल अगर हालात देखें तो हालात कुछ अच्छे नहीं हैं. आज हमारा फियर एंड ग्रीड लेवल भी बहुत ज़्यादा डाउन है एंड पीपल आर वेरी वेरी वरीड व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली बिटकॉइन गोइंग टू बी डू. ये अब ऐसी पोजीशन पर आकर बैठ गए दैट पीपल कैन एक्सपेक्ट अ मैसिव सेल ऑफ हैपनिंग एनी टाइम, जहाँ से ये थोड़ा और नीचे भी आ सकता है. वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट 41, 39 and these were the regions जहाँ से हमारा बुल रन और ये बुल रैली स्टार्ट भी हुई थी. even earlier this year and even May earlier this year in May when we started a bull rally. तो हम लोगों ने दो अच्छे बुल रैलीज ऑलरेडी देख ली हैं इस साइकिल के अंदर. we're expecting it's going to be an extended cycle and this is going to be going on into January as well.
अरे बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो, मत करो रन.
दूसरी खबर हमारी वो भी बिटकॉइन के बारे में. एज एवरीबॉडी नो बिटकॉइन इज वेरी वॉलेटाइल एंड एवरीवन इज वरीड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली गोना बी हैपनिंग इन द मार्केट्स. सो BTC सेंटीमेंट कंपैरेबल टू अ फ्यूनरल. 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. Bitcoin has not died for the 500th time, but the market fear could easily convince you otherwise as analysts predict a slow return to higher levels. So the market is going to be steady, slow, like मैं आप लोगों को बता रहा हूँ बहुत सारे टाइम से. So ranging into bullish Q1 2020. After nearing 50,000 earlier this weekend, BTC is now around 48,000, still down 16% in a week. Against all-time highs of 69,000, the maximum loss overnight on Friday so far of 39% significant, yet by no means record-breaking in Bitcoin terms. So if we look at this chart very carefully, we can clearly see in this chart कि अभी भी Bitcoin के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा capability रहेगी. ऐसे pullbacks of 30% to 25% have been happening quite rigorously in the history for Bitcoin. अगर हम लोग इस चार्ट को बहुत क्लोजली देखें तो हम लोग यहाँ देखते हैं डिप आफ्टर द हायर हाई और उसके बाद बेयर कंफर्म, डिप हायर और फिर हायर कंफर्म. सो वी आर इन अ सिमिलर जोन राइट नाउ और हम लोग ने एक अच्छा सा डबल टॉप भी बना लिया है. सो ओवरऑल इफ यू लुक एट इट BTC लुक क्वाइट बेयरिश इन द शॉर्ट टर्म्स.
दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
So the last cover for us for today is from Metaverses. Metaverses have been doing amazing and if you see on our channel we've been posting daily hangouts in Decentraland DCL where I spend almost an hour or two every day and I have a lot of friends and businesses in that Metaverse. So Metaverse virtual land in the Metaverse dominant NFT sales over the past week. Based on NFT and Metaverse sales over the past week, the demand for digital land outpaced all other items, art and collections. And yes, it is, everybody wants to make a land and then they want to make something on the land so they can earn income and also have an asset in the digital space which can never be equivalent to a physical space, because you can do whatever you want in a digital space and it's always recorded in your blockchain and it's one of the best investments. As mana increases, Ethereum increases, your gas fees increase and whatever price you bought it at cheap you can get 10x, 20x and in some cases you can even get 1000x. So that's all for our news. Let's hope to see something fine linings in our Bitcoin and Ethereum charts and that's gonna be all. देखते हैं हमारे क्रिप्टो ग्रीड एंड फियर इंडेक्स में क्या हो रहा है, लोग क्या डरे हुए हैं और आर दे वेरी वेरी फियरफुल. सो लेट्स सी. Oh my god, आज तो we are at 16. This is extreme fear levels already. Market is in extreme fear, but this is also a very very good opportunity to buy some bags and hopefully the market flips from here.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Coin market cap में देखते हैं. So we know market has been down, so we're straight gonna be jumping into the ones that did pump and did something for the markets for us. We can see Bad Action Token, it's up 11%, Algorand is up 6.8%, Pancake is up 4%, Waves is up 2%. Mainly we see most coins are down. There's just a few and especially in that we have Bad Action Token and Algorand that has been pumping. So we can go into our charts and let's start with Ethereum's dominance for today. Ethereum को dominance को देखें तो it went to all-time highs of May last as we discussed on Friday, and now we can see that it's trying to make a higher low and trying to make a correction here. It's quite possible it comes back down to this trend line, but then if it does, then we might have to wait for Ethereum to not go up. So right now, because Ethereum is rallying the market, that's how we can expect the market to be keep going up. But as soon as we see BTC's dominance increase, we can have a better idea what move the market market wants to make. As for now, BTC's dominance have started making an uptrend already. It's in a strong upside. अब देखना होगा कि पूरे दिन अगर आज का दिन ये upside rally के अंदर खत्म करता है, यानी ideally would be good to see BTC back in 44-45%, because those are the areas where BTC loves to shine and dominate the market, and वहीं पर upside downside decide करता है BTC. For now, BTC is very down and we can't expect anything big coming anytime soon. Ethereum की dominance को देखें तो Ethereum's dominance has also been coming down lately as discussed. अदर्स की डोमिनेंस को देखें तो अदर्स की डोमिनेंस ने ऑलरेडी अपना जो एक स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रेंड था, जो यहाँ से चलता आ रहा था अप ट्रेंड, उसके बाद साइडवेज होना, वो ऑलरेडी तोड़ दिया है. दैट्स द रीजन नाउ ऑल्ट्स आर नॉट गोना बी हैविंग सो मच सपोर्ट एंड ऑल्ट्स कैन लीड वेरी वेरी फास्ट इफ बिटकॉइन डिसाइड्स टू कम डाउन. तो हम लोग बाकी कॉइन्स भी देख लेते हैं. हम लोग स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं आज AXS से. AXS बहुत अच्छा सपोर्ट बना रहे हैं 100 के करीब. तो अगर हम लोग देखें अपने पुराने पम्प के बिल्कुल आसपास आके वो सपोर्ट बनाना शुरू हो गया है, विच इज़ वेरी वेरी गुड to see for AXS. It's nicely sitting in our support zone, a good place to buy it. Obviously अगर यहाँ से trends change हो गए and the market became more bearish, then it can go back down to 69 to 70. That's where its next support levels are. और अगर हम लोग देखें अडा को, अडा ने एक अच्छा सा पंप दिखाया, उसके बाद अडा और नीचे चला गया. हमने यहाँ पे देखा सब थोड़ा खुश हो गए थोड़ी देर के लिए, एंड देन इट्स इन अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग डाउन ट्रेंड. AR को भी देखें तो AR 60-70 से ऑलरेडी केम डाउन नाउ टू 40. इट हैज़ वेरी गुड सपोर्ट एट 38. ओवरऑल अगर हम सोलाना को भी देखें तो सोलाना भी नीचे आना शुरू हो गया. एज वी कैन सी कि अदर्स की डोमिनेशन कम हो गई है. वी कांट एक्सपेक्ट मच फ्रॉम ऑल कॉइन्स एनी मोर. तो अगर हम लोग यहाँ पर देखें, ये भी एक बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग डाउन ट्रेंड के अंदर आ गया है. ओवरऑल इफ यू लुक एट द मार्केट, एवरीथिंग इज इन अ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग डाउन ट्रेंड and we can expect things to change very quickly, but we have to look into this week and expect something big to be happening. Stacks को देखें, Stacks one of my favorite points made by Pakistani guy Muneeb Ali. I respect that guy a lot and he's one of the best person right now working in the blockchain technology industry. So being our countryman, love to support him, and I believe this coin can do some amazing stuff. He's trying to make smart contracts and deployment on Bitcoin blockchain. If it works, Bitcoin will be able to do things that Ethereum already does, which is going to be something interesting to see in this markets. अगर हम AMP को देखें, AMP is another great project. AMP has been sideways and consolidating in these zones. Overall, if you look at BAT has been performing really well, had a strong uptrend from here, has already made an all-time high of 1.9. BAT is a browser. It's a browser that helps you decentralize internet. That's going to help you not track your cookies, accept and all those kind of things, and it's going to give you a lot of privacy and security. अब हम लोग देख लेते हैं कि Ethereum वगैरह में क्या चल रहा है. ओवरऑल if you look at the market is very down. There's not much happening in the markets. हम लोग चलते हैं हमारे फेमस चार्ट के ऊपर. That was for the weekly chart. So if you look at this chart had similar situation like this, and we are creating a similar situation like this. The only worry sign was that this massive wick that came down, though it didn't touch our second line, but it did clear out our first zone, which was amazing because we had shorts open and the shorts became quite profitable for me. Ideally, if you look at the situation here, we are making a double top already in 4 hours. It's a small M. We can double check it on 1 hour. If it's a double top, we're definitely going to be going down. Yes, it is a double top. We're going to be going down further down very soon. If you look at BTC in our weekly chart that I have been showing for days now, I also got a lot of criticism for that, but well, that's how it is. We are traders get a lot of criticism as well. So if you look at these trend lines have been bouncing back from here, and we've been making support as well. Similar situation here as well. We have broken trend very strongly. Now we are sideways around here. We got rejected, not even getting closer to 50 or about 50. We already got rejected. That already shows you that there's not momentum and not much volume. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you do, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel. Hopefully we're going to be having 1200 subscribers very soon, and I'm planning to have a massive giveaway coming up very soon. It's going to be sponsored by MetaWare. I hope you guys tune in and stick to it so you can win an amazing wearable. So take care, guys. Bye bye.